How to turn on or off car mode in Spotify app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom, click on your library. Now click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. You'll find these options. In here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, in here click on Apps and Devices. After you click on Apps and Devices, scroll down and you will find Car Mode or in the car. If you want to turn it on, make sure the circle is on the right side, and if you want to turn it off, make sure the circle is on the left side. And this is how to turn on or off Car Mode in Spotify app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.